In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 winning products to sell on your Shopify store that have the potential to make $1,600 per day or even more if you commit to them, if you actually sell them. These are real winning products. These are not just random picks that I got from the internet or from other people. These are products that I've researched and analyzed. They're not guaranteed to sell for you, but there's suggestions that you can go and sell right now. Dropshipping does take a lot of effort, a lot of time to be successful, but this will give you a nice shortcut for you to get results. Let's go. Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here. Like I said, in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 winning products with some surprises at the end if you watch the entire video. If you want me personally to mentor you and my team to help you get results with your Shopify store and scale up your business to the next level, please apply with the first link down in the description to join our automated e-commerce program where I get my students amazing results and help them scale up to the next level. That call and that application is completely for free. It is a free one-on-one call with either me or my partner Anderson, so make sure to book it right now with that first link. And I want to congratulate Mohammed for being the winner of the past video 0 to 10K per day giveaway guide. If you want to win that guide and be the winner for this video, make sure to comment down below automate and add the country or city where you're from. Subscribe, hit that notification button, that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. All right, off to the products. I was intentionally gonna do 3 products for this video, but I'm actually gonna give you 5. Hope that's okay if I over deliver on this one. The first product is this one right here. It is a phone holder, and there's a lot of different phone holders for your phone, for your iPhone, for your iPad, but this one in particular is very, very unique. And for driving, although not a lot of people are driving right now, it is one of the uses that it has, but I'm just gonna let this self-explanatory video show you how the product works here. So I'm gonna put it from the beginning, and it's this little strip, and you can put anything to it. So it's actually a little strip. You put it whatever you want. And phone holders right now during the quarantine are working really well because people are just bored at home. And this is sort of a fun phone holder. So people can just put it up. They can watch TV. They can watch music. People are doing delivery. They can use it on the delivery runs. People that are working at home, they can use it at home. So it does fit a lot of different people that are right now at home quarantined and are working through this coronavirus pandemic. For the sales itself, if you want to analyze a sales chart, you can always use this app called Pexkla right here. And it's saying about 20, 30 per day, but now I'm seeing a nice uptrend there to the 35s. I'm assuming this product is going to get a nice kick up and up and up. I found it, and I think a lot of people will benefit from selling a product like this. So if you have a general store or any type of store that you want to sell something trendy or something wow, I think this has a lot of potential. It's already got 4,000 orders. But there's still a lot more potential, and it's quite cheap. And the supplier is pretty good. So if you get this supplier, or this product actually has a 4.9 out of 5, so the product works. And the supplier, I wouldn't sell it. I wouldn't sell from the supplier because the selling methods that they have are not really that great. So I would try to either get Express suppliers or an agent outside of AliExpress, because if not, it's going to be way too long to ship the actual product. That being said, it's still a massive winner to sell. And the actual video that they have here, it's a cool video that you can use on your promotions, and also on the actual ad here. It has really, really good images. So it looks like a custom made product. It looks just really nice, and it's a small product that can do really, really well. The next product, one experiencing crazy demand because of the pandemic and the coronavirus and the quarantine and all of that, are nail kits or nail making kits. All of these little, if you have never done nails or anything like that, which I haven't, I just got this product suggestion from my wife. Actually, we bought this for her mom on her birthday because she was bored at home, nothing to do, extremely bored. So we bought her this nail making kit, and it essentially brings this little UV light or nail lamp, and it basically helps you make your nails for women. It helps you make your nails, and then this warms them up and dries them up. So it makes the nails stick to the nails, like the fake nails stick to the nails, and then the color also stick to the nails. So it helps you make nails like that. This particular product is going crazy right now. If we check on the sales chart, it's getting the volume has gone down for around 250 orders a day, and it is a pretty expensive product. So if you sell anything for women, any niche related to women, this could be a big one to sell for that particular niche because it's just huge. The downside was 91, and then it went up to 242, again down to 140. I think it's just going to stabilize around there, around 100 to 200 orders, which is huge for a product that is this expensive, and the market is just so big. Women bored at home that want to do their nails, have some disposable income. A lot of stimulus checks are going to people right now, so they're buying a lot online, seeing a lot of demand for this particular product, so definitely a big one. It also has a nice video here that you can use for part of your promotion. And also, one thing, nail salons are closed. So women that want to get their nails done or they want to do something with their nails, they can't actually go to a salon, so they have to do it at home. And there's also other things that you can sell. Another kit here, which is a little bit cheaper. This one is about $3 to $9 in the $8 to $9 range. And if we look at Pexilla, it is also selling pretty well. So it's selling around, it was selling 200, now it's selling 150, 100 per day. So all of these types of nail makers and nail products are just selling crazy. If we look at Google Trends, nail kit in the United States is just going crazy. It was in the 12, 15 or so in search volume, doing okay. And then it went up to the hundreds in April 12 to 18, so basically last week. And then now it's at the 74. I'm assuming for May, it's gonna go up again to the hundreds. Huge, huge product right now, a massive market to sell it to. Third product right here, and it is this custom diamond painting. And you can see here how it works. I'm gonna show you the little video. And it's a little painting with the little things. And you make the painting with a custom photo that you ask them to do. So you can ask them to do a picture of somebody. So let's say it's your fiance or something. They can do a picture of that, and you can do the little custom diamond printing. You can do family pictures. You can do kid pictures, grandpa pictures, whatever it is. And the great thing about this is that a lot of people are wondering what to do for birthdays. They're thinking about, what should I give this person for her birthday, since I can't see them because of social distancing rules. I can't go to their house, we can't have a party or anything like that. So this is a good product to remind somebody that you actually love them, that you care a lot about them, and you want to give them something that you don't have to give them next to them, or you don't have to give them if you're in the same house or anything like that, or something to do together. It's just very clever, and it's very custom made, and people love custom products like this. As you can see, the orders are just massive, and the sales volume for this is crazy. It's going up to the 400s per day at this point. It's stabilizing at around 100, and now it's popping up to the 400s. I'm assuming it's going to go down from 400 to 200, and then going to stabilize around the 200 to 300 order per day mark. So it's just huge. Great product to sell. And like I said, birthday gifts are huge for this particular point of time. People don't know what to give somebody. And one article that I found from Glamour, it's called 31 Quarantine Birthday Gifts for Your Friends Celebrating in Isolation. And I found this idea because my birthday is coming up in about 3 weeks, and my wife's birthday as well later on. And I was thinking about birthday ideas or things to do for my birthday, which I can't do because we're all in quarantine. And I found this nice article with 31 quarantine ideas and products that you can sell during the quarantine. So you can just go through this article. I'm going to link it down below, and a lot of good birthday ideas. But birthday products in general are great right now that you can't really party and do any birthday gifts or anything normal. For the two other products that have a lot of potential and are selling quite well and experiencing a nice constant demand, or you can sell them if you have a general store, whatever type of store. First of all is very bright flashlights. So I used to sell this product about 2 to 3 years ago, which is extremely bright flashlights, and a lot of people use them. A lot of people have been experiencing power outages around the world because of the coronavirus. So many people are at home using the internet and using different power sources. So there's power outages a lot. And also people just basically preparing themselves for a major quarantine or a major, let's say, food shortage, preppers that are preparing for a full-blown apocalypse. They're buying products like this, which is a massive flashlight that can just make a huge, huge amount of light. So I'm just gonna play this video here. And here has a nice different levels of light. And even though the product isn't like a huge trendy product or wow product, it is experiencing a nice amount of sales right now. And you can sell it with a video that you can necessarily show to people that are, let's say, in quarantine and want to go outside or want to go at night and they want to use just different flashlights. The search volume for it is quite nicely here. It was in the hundreds, so we're consistently getting around 100 sales. Then it went down to the 28s, 30s, and now it's gone up to the 91. So when you see a sale trend like this, what's likely going to happen is that it's picking up back to the hundreds or 200s, and there's a lot of different variations for this particular product. It is seeing a lot of demand, especially on Google, so it could be a nice product for you to sell. And the last product that I wanted to show you is this jogging shorts or jogging pants with the little attachment on the center or in the middle, on the inside, that you can put your phone right here. So you can put the phone inside of the attachment, and this product, it has been selling quite a lot, but now it's experiencing a nice surge in demand, or at least a nice sales volume. It's experiencing between 75, 50 to 150, 148, and I'm assuming it's going to hit up to the hundreds or even 300 orders per day. This particular product, why I see it selling very well, is because a lot of people are stuck at home. Right now they're quarantined, they don't know what to do. A lot of people can't even go outside of their homes, so they're wondering when they can finally go outside. And now in the month of May and in the month of June, or in the last parts of the month of May or in the beginning even, some countries are relaxing their social distancing, relaxing their rules that you can go outside, you can exercise outside. A lot of countries are letting people go out and walk their dogs. So this is a product that a lot of people are going to anticipate that they're going to use, because a lot of people that are typically runners or they want to run, they're buying gear for running, and they're just patiently waiting for that moment when they can go outside and actually run. So if you sell them a product like this and you cater to that market of people that train outside, they love running outside, they love going to the beach and running on the beach, they will want something that gives them a little bit more push or just makes them want that feeling of running outside. Once they can do it, once the social distancing is relaxed, they can and will do it outside. So this is a great product. You can brand it as well. You can sell it on a one product store. Just a great one to sell in general. That's it for these product suggestions. If you want me to mentor you and my team to help you take your business to the next level with more product suggestions and a next level mentoring to help you really get the results that you want, make sure to apply down with the first link down in the description. And if you want another 3 winning products that I posted here on the YouTube channel that are just absolutely crazy, some students are getting great results with it, make sure to click the video right here. It's going to pop a video in this square right here, 3 winning products to sell. None of these products are guaranteed to make money. They are not products that are going to make you $1 billion. It is not guaranteed. It does take effort. It does take time, but they are product suggestions for you to get better results than without these product suggestions. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment automate down below for a special giveaway. Give me a like button down below, and I will see you on the next video.